Let me take you back to a time when you got that scar. Maybe it was from a childhood accident, or perhaps a surgical procedure, but no matter how much time has passed, that mark on your skin remains, a permanent reminder of the past. For many, scars aren't just a cosmetic issue, they can carry emotional weight. But what if I told you that even old scars don't have to be forever? The skin is an incredible organ, always renewing, always healing. But sometimes, the way our body heals leaves behind scar tissue that's tougher and less elastic than the surrounding skin. Old scars, whether they're raised, discolored, or deep, may seem like a lost cause. However, new research and treatments are giving us hope. Let's start with a treatment option that's been getting a lot of attention lately: silicone sheets and gels. These aren't new, but their long-term benefits for old scars are being highlighted now more than ever. Silicone works by hydrating the scar tissue, which softens it and makes it more pliable over time. Studies show that consistent use of silicone products for several months can significantly improve both the texture and color of scars. It's not an overnight fix, but with patience, results are real. Then there's laser therapy, which might sound intense, but it's one of the most effective treatments for older scars. The lasers target the underlying collagen in the skin, encouraging new growth and breaking down thick scar tissue. Fractional laser treatment, in particular, has shown impressive results. It essentially creates tiny wounds in the skin that stimulate the body's natural healing process, this time without leaving behind excessive scar tissue. The key here is finding a specialist who knows the right settings for your specific scar type. If lasers seem a bit extreme, you might want to consider microneedling. This minimally invasive treatment involves tiny needles creating micro-injuries in the scar tissue, triggering the production of collagen and elastin. Over time, microneedling can help flatten raised scars and improve overall skin texture. Combine it with a good vitamin C serum, and you're helping to speed up the process even further, as vitamin C promotes collagen production and fades pigmentation. But what if you're looking for something less invasive? Look no further than topical treatments like retinoids. These are powerful compounds derived from vitamin A, and they help by increasing cell turnover and stimulating collagen production. They won't erase a scar, but with regular application, they can make it blend in more with the surrounding skin, giving it a smoother appearance. Now, here's something a bit unexpected, a treatment that's gaining popularity for its simplicity: massage therapy. Regularly massaging the scar can help break down the thick tissue and improve circulation. Combine this with an essential oil like rosehip or helichrysum, both of which have been shown to help with skin regeneration. It's a natural DIY approach that, with consistency, can yield surprising results. Lastly, don't forget about hydration and sun protection. Scars need moisture to heal properly, so using a good moisturizer, preferably one with ceramides or hyaluronic acid, can go a long way. And always protect your scars from the sun. UV rays can darken scars and make them more noticeable. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 should be your daily go-to. In the end, treating old scars isn't about perfection, it's about improvement. It's about giving your skin the tools it needs to heal better, even after all these years. So whether you choose silicone sheets, lasers, or simple massage, remember, with the right approach, those scars don't have to be the last word. They can become a part of your story, not the headline.